With the passage of House Bill 1052 and a state Supreme Court decision, South Dakota landowners now have more rights than before. But before those two monumental decisions, a Brown County family says they saw pipeline survey trucks drive onto their land without notice, and now that company is facing a lawsuit. Beth Warden explains and has our continuing coverage tonight.
I hope no one ever has to experience what Jared and Tara Bosley did that day.
Craig Schoeneman is talking about getting a call from his friend and neighbor. Strangers were on the Bosley farm, so he came to help.
Tara was there by herself when I got the phone call.
According to court records, Tara Bosley heard a man yelling while she was in the shower. She got out, saw men on a security camera, and called her husband in Aberdeen for help. Court records claim it was a crew hired by Summit Carbon Solutions and law enforcement with a judge's order to survey the land for a pipeline against the Bosleys' permission.
None of us really agreed with the judge's opinion, but we have to accept the judge's opinion.
The lawsuit is seeking damages for trespassing, nuisance, and negligence. Court pictures show what they say is a survey employee entering a tool shed without permission.
Came in and drove through the yard and surveyed where they wanted to survey because they had a judge's order that they could.
The case did play out in state Supreme Court, which ruled in favor of the landowners. At the same time, House Bill 1052 was passed, providing more landowner protection.
We had appealed the underlying survey case. They went ahead anyway, and I think that's going to come back to haunt them.
It was just grassroots people, and I'm proud of that. I'm proud of the legislature that did it, and I'm also very proud of the way Governor Roden handled it in the end.
Summit Carbon Solutions could face a jury's review and decision if the case continues.
How does it feel to stand on your land and say, this is my land, and I get to say?
Anybody that's farmed, if they own their house in town, if they own lake property, if they own any property, and they've worked hard for it, and they've taken a mortgage out on it and paid for it, there's a pride of ownership there, and they want to be in control of it. Treat people with respect. Property rights are important to South Dakota.
In Sioux Falls, Beth Warden, Dakota News Now.